These are the students of Teacher Paula, each one with their different skills and difficulties. Every person is a private universe. Each can stand out in multiple intelligences, relational and emotional skills, and has their own brain preferences. So every student gets in touch in a different way with the school. Some of them may have learning difficulties, as in the case of Ariel. For Teacher Paula, the biggest challenge is to quickly realize Ariel's difficulties and establish a strategy for dealing with them. But mapping brain preferences is not easy. It may take months and not even happen. Children like Ariel can carry their difficulties to high school. We can do better with Schoolastic, the mobile application created to be a strong link between parents and educators, helping children like Ariel to overcome their challenges, and Teacher Paula to understand if her teaching strategy can be improved. Schoolastic maps each child's characteristics, offering parents and teachers the needed information to improve student development, monitor all academic cycle and personal development of the students from childhood to adult life, and help your students to have a brighter and happiest future. Your students deserve Schoolastic. Do it for them. www.schoolastic-app.com